So I am back at the shed today for another day's work. I've been away all week with work because my job unfortunately makes me travel the country. But luckily enough, Dawson has been here in the evenings finishing off the kind of last of it. We got into turbo and stuff the other day, which you would have seen, but then we had the stag, so we didn't get much done. But Dawson was here all week kind of buttoning up the last little few bits. He's after putting all the gearbox oil in, he's after changing out the coolant, so we're going to do the diff oil there today. I just went and got Jubilee clips, put this back in, and hopefully we need to set up the coilovers, and then with a bit of luck we will be going to get this car tracked today or tomorrow so we can return it back to its own. So of course the Jubilee clip I got is literally just too small, so what I'm going to do is change out these two because this one has a load left on it. So change out these two, stretch this one on, hopefully that will fix that. Junior is, see what he's doing, he's just always at something. What are you doing? Fixing your bike? Hey, Junior's set up here. I'll get that out for you, don't you worry why. Right, let's do this. So I got them on, and as you can see they're so close together, and that wasn't it's off down here, see it? So that was a cunt to get to. So that's done now, so we're going to start the car, check for blows, leaks and all that. And I'd also like to give a shout out to Night Ride as well for giving me this idea. Oh, actually that's meant to be a leaks on, because my tyres just never stretch on. So seen on his TikTok he done this, so see how that works. Typical drift car, just never easy, is it? Right, we are in the car, let's get ready to start this. I feel like I'm in like a fire jet or something. Like ignition check, ready to launch. Now let's see if this works. Sounds 100 times better. This car has wicked blowing the manifold before, and where the turbo connects onto the manifold, gasket was gone there too, so it's sounding, I'm very happy with that. So we have just ran the sr86 and it sounds lovely, it's running very smooth. It's so much quieter than it was before. So I am just going to have a look at the shifter because there's a small bit of play in it. Temperature and everything staying great. Just check all the levels of everything again now once the car cools down. I changed 2 studs in the back left wheel, and then we're going to try to get it for tracking and get it back up to Dublin. So I've just finished stripping the hub, well I'm nearly finished it. Basically the wheel studs that are actually in it from factory, 2 of them are after snapping, they're sitting through the spacer, and they're after, I don't know if you can really see that, but yeah, they're kind of gone really bad. So luckily enough Anthony works in a tyre shop and had these on the shelf, so I'm going to put 4 new ones in now, get out this last one and then put this back together, and hopefully that'll be all good. That was so easy. I just do it 3 more times. So that's all the studs changed out now. Spacer fitted, so we're going to fit the wheel now, and then we are going to adjust the front coilovers, and then hopefully if we can get it booked in for tracking today we will. So we'll see how it goes in there. Got the fresh new spanners with the coilovers. A free sticker to anyone who can tell me why these holes are different sizes. Very good at that, lad. Joys a brand new coilover. You can just twist my hand. Next year now you'll be hanging out of that with a fucking Stilton. So that's basically us wrapped up on this car. This kind of last job that has to be done, just tightening the coilovers now. Just adjust the other side, tighten that up, and yeah, we're pretty much ready to get the car tracked, and we're going to try test it somewhere if we can. If not, we're just going to have to bring it to the next track day and meet the owner there, so we can see if there's any issues, but I very much doubt there will be. Seems like a good going car, so hopefully it works out for him, and it'll be nice to see it on the track again. It's been off the track for a long time now, so it'll be cool to see it back.
Look what finally left the lift. Finally off the lift.
Yeah, thank God, finally finished. So just still need to get it tracked, but other than that we're good to go. Maybe I do some damage to this thing. So we are finished, thank God. Gave the car a quick wash. It's nice to see it out in the sunlight now again. That's all we can pretty much do for now. It's going for tracking in the morning, and then we're going to drop it back to its owner. Pretty sure you're going to be happy. So it's a fun car to work on. We're after doing the steering rack, we're after doing the gearbox, we're after changing gaskets, nothing but checking the whole car, service front to back, and no valet as well. Yeah, no, big shout out to all the lads here at FitzFab crew for the work that they put into this car as well. I'm sure the owner is going to appreciate it, and hopefully you will see this car on a track near you soon. So we have these new Silver's coilovers sent down to us from MCG. They're a new brand new coilover. They're meant to be the equivalent to BCs, so we're going to test them out and see what they're like. I need a new set of coilovers for the 180 I'm building, so if they prove to be good, I'm going to put them in my car as well. Also the Mark II needs a set. These are just factory spring rates as far as I know. Fronts are 12 kgs, rear 6, but you can get them in custom spring rates if you want.
Yeah, so basically, yeah, he went with just standard factory spring rates, but you can get custom spring rates, and they all come with a lifetime warranty as well if you have any issues. So yeah, I'd say I might get a set for that as well at some stage, but we'll see how they go.
So apparently they're not a new brand of coilover, they're new to me. I've never heard of them. I don't know, I don't think too many people have them.
No, I wouldn't say they're as popular over here. Usually people go with BCs, but from what I've heard, they're meant to be as good if not better than BCs, so yeah.
Little multi-tool, what's that?
Not bad.
Alright.
Oh, I like the colour. They'd suit my car, wouldn't they?
Gotta do it.
We just put me in my car altogether.
You have the dampening harders on them.
You know how to work them, you do?
I'm going to turn them fully soft for me, be alright. Soft like the owner of the car.
Oh shit.
No, they're okay. Just strip it apart. My God, you can.
Qualified, yeah.
Jesus, if you had to raise up a monster truck or something, it'd be right job, wouldn't it? Do a time lapse and make it.
So these are the Neomax ones. Obviously there's different spec ones. These are just you have your dampening adjusters. They don't have the adjustable camber plate on top, but that's
I took this one apart.
Yeah, Sham's just disassembling everything.
So that goes into this if anyone, so.
But it's just, yeah, if you get different models, they come with different specs obviously, but this is what your man wanted. So yeah, they do seem very good quality though from first look, don't they?
They do, because everyone usually uses those ones. I'm not sure the brand of them. They're kind of like orange or green.
Max speeding rods.
Is that it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, everyone seems to run them in the IS200s and altezzas, but they all seem to give trouble after a couple of months. So, and to be honest, for the extra few pounds, you're probably better off just actually getting a good set of coilovers.
Yeah. So, like we said, yeah, we're gonna see how these go in his car, and then after that, we might get them in a few of our other cars and see how they go.
So, when I was actually taking the piss saying this multi-tool, that it actually is, I have to figure out what it's for. So, this lad here, I've seen this on TikTok, that
You get a ratchet.
A ratchet
Wait, let's
this.
try it. I have a ratchet. I definitely have a ratchet. I don't have a ratchet. All my ratchets are gone. Right, let's put him to the test. What you know?
right, watch this, right, so that's for that. You know what this, look what the middle one's for. For that.
Not bad.
And then this is for the actual bolts for the coilovers, but we don't actually have one here.
So basically, if you have no tools at all and you want to put in a set of coilovers, you can do it.
Just with this spanner right here. It's not recording.
Full tool set.
You get the Allen key for the chapter controlling coilover for your old brake lines.
What?
Right, you stop making noise over there.
What's he doing?
That's the typical farmer. What are you
What's he
taking
at?
out of your boot?
Can I take your fucking soda out? Piss me off.
That man is flat out.
So you take the soda out of his boot. Anyway, you get a full toolkit with this. So not only do you get good coilovers, you also get free tools, which is always good. So that's pretty much all we have to say about these for the minute. We'll get them thrown in the car and then we'll just go for a spin and see what they're like.
So yeah, we will report back in a couple of videos probably, but thank you MCG.
Bye.
Right, so basically, we're going to put another hanger on my exhaust because it's popping off the V-band on the back of the turbo and the car just smells horrible then with all the fumes. So yeah, gonna throw one onto the gearbox mount there. Well, Sham's gonna throw it onto the gearbox mount there. And Jack's just gonna chill out and do fuck all. So yeah.
Oh, wow, wow, wow.
You know how to read Japanese, do you?
Yoko Takanoshi. Yoko Tatashima.
Oh, hot.
Ow. What was that?
Nothing. This is some good footage, Jack.
Ooh. Ooh.
Gnarly.
Gnarly. So that's that finished. So we're gonna pack up all of my stuff and go back to the shed again and try to do Jack's exhaust on that, not that, but the other that behind it. Yeah, see how that goes. So we're back in the shed here once again. We finished up Connor's car. We're after coming out to do Jack's car now. David has just washed him his car. Getting ready for the weekend. So the plan here is Jack is after just recently buying this altezza. What? Oh yeah, it's also going to be for sale in the next coming weeks. If anyone wants to buy it. We're just going to make it a small bit louder because it has the factory exhaust on it and has the cats in it and stuff. So just going to change the back box on it and I think take out one of the silencers maybe, and yeah. So it will be for sale if anyone is interested. I don't think the seat comes with it though. No? The seat, okay, the seat doesn't come with it. Wheels can come with the car though, so if you're interested, drop a message, we'll contact you. We have started tacking the exhaust together, so we're just going to just up by the axle there. He's after getting this absolute genuine HKS exhaust. This comes with the car also, that's for sale. So that's Jack's exhaust, fully welded up, sealed up. Ran into a few difficulties with equipment, in a brake and my dig torch snapping my head, but we made do and we got it done. Happy?
Happy.
Let's throw it on the car and see how it sounds. Hey, you should wear glasses. You should wear glasses too. So I have the exhaust fully welded, fully sealed up, all the hangers made. So I'm going to drop the car down now and see how it sounds. That's another night finished here at Fitzfab. The Blue Twin Cam's back in the shed now. Bringing that for tracking tomorrow morning, and then I'm going to bring it back up to Dublin. I'm going to go collect my twin cam from his shed, Ernie. So he's been valeting it for me. So, and now Jack is back again for some reason. Why is Jack back?
Hey, get ready to put that res there in.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. See you, Jack. So the car's too loud anyway, so we're going to put the resonator back into it. But yeah, that's all from me. If you'd like to see, like, comment, subscribe. Good luck.